guys, currently we are about to hop in the Thames River Cruise and will be taking a look at London's most famous attractions. Our journey has started from Westminster to Greenwich. We will cross number of bridges through this journey like London and Tower Bridge. Along with both banks of Thames River, number of famous landmarks are located like House of Parliament, Westminster's Abbey, London Eye and plenty of other attractions. I won't take you too much time and taking you straight to board and enjoy live commentary on Thames River Cruise Ride. Let's enjoy.
We like to give a live commentary and we like to pass on our local knowledge. So I will try and speak slowly. So I know we've got a large group on the boat from Poland today. So I'm not sure if you're upstairs, the Polish group. And so I will try and speak very slowly for everyone on the boat. Now we'll start with a bridge, the Charing Cross Railway Bridge. Charing Cross Station is away to your left in the West End, and wave to people on the bridges. Usually they wave back. If they don't wave, they're probably from London and just very miserable. The area to the right is the south bank of the river. Our Royal Festival Hall on the right has some of the best acoustics in the world. Built in 1951 for the Festival of Great Britain. So our Royal Festival Hall. Pavarotti, Frank Sinatra, Elton. On the river's wall to your left, a stone obelisk, Cleopatra's Needle, over 3,000 years old. Made in Egypt, made in pairs. The twin needle is in America. New York, in Central Park, the twin needle. Also to our left, with a green tiled roof, the Savoy Hotel. The very famous London Savoy Hotel. Waterloo Bridge ahead of us. Notice how clean the outside is. Portland stone. Every time it rains, it gets a wash. Very dirty on the underside. Built in the Second World War. It was built by women, as most of our manpower was away fighting. So the women built the bridge, and we like to call it the ladies' bridge over the river. On our left-hand side, Somerset House. Years ago, a residence for the Dukes and the Earls of Somerset. It's where we used to keep birth, death and marriage certificates for Great Britain. All of our records were held here at Somerset House. Back on the right, on the south bank, our National Theatre. It's got the flashing display hall. Next door, IBM, International Business Machines. The tall office building, ITV. Say our television station, ITV. The television studios are behind the trees, and it's where they film Britain's Got Talent, X Factor, Pop Idol. Lots of daytime chat shows are filmed live on the river. If you look on the right, the white building with the blacked out windows, the studios for This Morning, a very famous daytime chat show as they film live onto the river this morning. Maybe you'd like to wave on the right, wave and smile. You might be on telly, so we might get recognised. Wave and smile. So sometimes they zoom in onto the boats. Of course, if you're with somebody you shouldn't be with, duck, just in case. Also on the right, apartments. The red brick building, a warehouse years ago. On the roof of the building, a tower with the windows, OXO. The stock queue, the gravy granule, OXO, made on the right on the river years ago. There's a restaurant on the roof of the building, the Harvey Nichols restaurant. Very nice, I'm told. Very expensive, the OXO restaurant. A brand new apartment block on the right. So they've just sold the penthouse, £27 million. So very, very expensive property anywhere along this river. In fact, anywhere in London. So very, very expensive to buy. Now with your camera, look over the bridge to your left. There's a great photo there. St Paul's Cathedral. Looking above at Blackfriars Bridge. Now the bridge is the Blackfriars Bridge. In about 25 minutes, the tide will be so high we would not fit through. And the tide is rising at the moment. And left and right of the boat are the columns that used to carry steam trains. A railway from Dover to London. And the last bridge of the three, the Blackfriars Bridge, a railway. A lovely set of bridges that was put together, opened by Queen Victoria, Blackfriars. If you look behind us on the right, you can see the abseilers coming down the building. So just checking, I suppose, all the windows, say the brand new apartments. Back on the right. So it doesn't cost anything. People standing above the dome. There's over 500 steps to the top of St Paul's. Ladies and gentlemen, on the right, the Globe Theatre. William Shakespeare's Globe Theatre on the right. Just behind the treetops. There's a play every single day. From April until October, every day there's a play performed. Check the weather, it's open air. If it rains, the show